Today, me and my friend are doing monkey levitation. Meditation, same thing. Alright, so for this, we're going to meditate on top of a stump and show you how to be the best monkey you can be. First of all, you must take your hand. Your arm won't be that long, right? Make your arm longer. After your arm has been made longer, pull down whatever finger you want. You can do this finger. You can do this finger. And stop meditating.
Oh.
And then you should. And then after you've done that, you need to calm yourself right at this position with your eyes closed. Come down here, and then you walk right up here, and it allows you to monkey levitation. I don't know why I said it like that. But anyway, welcome to my first video. Today we're going to be doing a normal round of tag in a default lobby. No, I fell. I have comp, he has comp. I gave him comp. So we go. Yeah. We should join the same.
Oh my goodness, I'm a moderator. Stuff like that.
Oh, wrong code. Alright, back to work. If you guys want to join our, if you guys want a chance to see me, which I think I'm going to have no fan. If you do, join the code on screen right now. HUT. Wait, let me say something to my friend. Big Monkey. Big Monkey, listen to me. Join the code that we originally used, what we call the YouTube code. I'm in the YouTube code. Anyway, so we're going to be playing a normal round of tag and default. Make sure you're not on comp. Let's do it. He's in, he's in. Oh, he's in, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I screwed that up, man. Oh, you did. Yep, I think that kind of. I was about to say, are you gonna go on walls because I was about to get you from there? Bro, how is that? Why? How is that? Hi, because Lucio literally can't correctly.
I know it's kind of nauseous for you guys, but I prefer to use snap turning, so.
Oh no, I'm done. Okay, bye.
I'm not good at
I can't speak attack. Oh my, I thought I was...
Big Monkey, I'm here to help. Big Monkey, I'm here to help you. Big Monkey, remember, circle motions. I got Big Monkey competitive or comp.
What the boogeyman?
Alright, let's find out.
to do.
These are not big These are not. Oh, I thought you were going to go up, but then you went to the side. So, yeah, but then
Little bro, bro, I can see your gun
yeah,
he's holding him by the ring. I'm just trying to.
I don't hold mine by the ring.
He's holding it by the
That's
string.
He's-
He's holding it by the.
Yo, raise your hand if you're built like a toothpick.
Holding it by the. And he's holding it upside down.
Give me.
I got
Raise your
tiger.
hand if you're built like a toothpick.
hanger.
Exactly.
Oh, how is Big Monkey the last player? No offense, Big Monkey, but you're like the worst player in this lobby.
Thank you, Dad. I might eat my Takis later.
Bro, you're saying no offense as if like that's not supposed to be.